Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching Techno Right. What's going on guys, welcome to Techno Right. Technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Valorant not responding where you are greeted with a black screen when you open the game. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so firstly you're going to end Valorant task. If you have Valorant open, you can do this by right clicking on your taskbar and clicking task manager. Okay, so task manager pop up and you're going to find Valorant and Vanguard, and you're going to end the task. See, Vanguard train notification, just end the task and every task that's related to Valorant. Okay, so once everything is ended, you're going to right click on the Valorant icon. I have it on my taskbar, so I'm just going to right click here and right click on Valorant again. Go into properties and click on file location, open file location. Okay, you can do this by this way, or you can navigate into your C drive, write games, write client. Okay, so you're going to go into write games here and go into Valorant. Click on live, and then on the Valorant.exe, you're going to right click and click on properties. Here, you're going to go into the compatibility tab and you're going to make sure disable full screen optimization is checked. Okay, and then click on apply and okay, and you're going to do the same step to another app, which is, you see here it says shooter game. So click open this, open binaries, open Win64 and scroll down until you find this Win64 shipping Valorant. So right click on it, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimization, apply okay. Okay, so once that's done, you can try launching Valorant, and if it does not work, let's go into the next step. Okay guys, so for this step you need Valorant to be running. So once you open Valorant, if you're greeted with a black screen, it's okay. So you're going to click on task manager, or you can also do the same thing by clicking on your keyboard, control shift and escape, and it should open. So once you click that, you're going to go into your details. Okay, search for Valorant here. Okay, so you can see here Valorant exe and Win64. You're going to right click on this, go into the priority, set priority, and make sure it's above normal. Click change priority and do it same for the next one. Change priority. Okay, so once this two is done, you can close this, close Valorant and restart your computer, and you can open up Valorant and it should work. So that's it from my part guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.